Hello children, in this video we are going to learn let us say. Listen to the sound and repeat. This sound has two letters C, H, S, H, W, H. Let's look at this sound C, H. What is the sound of letter C? K. H makes a sound H. The letters C and H together make the sound Ch. Ch, chu, 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 chu. Next one, S, H. The letter S and H together make the sound sh, sh. Come on, repeat. Sh. Next one, the letter W and H. W and H together make the sound wa, wa. Come on, say wa. Next, listen and say. Ch, ch as in chair, cherry, bench, torch. Look at the spelling. Ch, 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 ch. எல்லாத்துலயுமே CH ch sound வருது இல்லையா? Chair, cherries, bench, torch. Next, sh, sh as in shirt, shoes, brush, fish. Sh, sh sound வருது இல்லையா? Next, WH, wa, wa as in wheel, wheat, whale, whistle. WH, wa, wa, wa. Wheel, wheat, whale, whistle. Next, blend and say. Ch, ik, chick, ch, a, r, e, cherry, ch, e, cheese, sh, up, shop, sh, ip, ship, sh, eep, sheep, wa, it, a, white, wa, a, l, whale, wa, ip, whip.